Continuation notes are an essential part of inpatient management. These notes serve as a detailed record of a patient's daily progress, treatment updates, and any changes in their condition. Continuation notes provide a streamlined way for healthcare providers to document and access critical information about a patient's care, allowing for better coordination and communication among the medical team. To record the inpatient continuation notes, select the patient from the admission. Click on the Actions button and select Continuation Note as shown. On the window that appears, fill in the required details. The date and time field automatically records the exact date and time the note is entered, ensuring accurate documentation of when patient care updates or actions were taken. Enter detailed observations regarding the patient's condition, progress, or any significant changes on the clinical notes field. Input the name of the doctor. On the doctor's order, document any specific instructions from the doctor regarding patient treatment, medication changes, or follow-up care. These orders provide guidance for the medical team on the next steps in the patient's care plan. Capture the examination findings. Click on the Save button to save. To view Continuation Notes Report, click on the View Report button. In the report window, you can perform the following. You can share the report via email, save in different available formats, or print directly from browser.